Hello everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Mercedes E350 and I will show you how to change the serpentine belt. Open the cover. The reason I'm making this video, many people commented on my ML350 video that we want to know how to put the belt on E-Class. At this moment, my belt is perfectly fine. I'm not replacing it. I'm going to take off the belt, then I'll put it on and I'll show you how it's easy you can replace your serpentine belt. Let's start it. We need a socket with a ratchet 17 millimeter. This is the belt tensioner bolt. So we're going to put the socket up there. Once we put the ratchet, we're going to bring, and as you see, the belt will came off from the tensioner. So we're going to pull the belt out. Once we pull the belt out, leave the ratchet back, and now we'll take the belt out. And then I'll put it back again, so you will see how it's easy you can do it. So this is the belt we took it out. My belt is perfectly fine, as I mentioned, only due to the viewers' request I'm putting this video out. So this is the belt I'm going to put it together. The way we're going to start it, first step is to go on alternate pulley. Put the belt on alternate pulley and then bring it at the top and then keep going all the way. We started from alternate pulley and we went all the way up pulley, then we keep coming all the way back on the main pulley up here, and then we go down on the bottom pulley. On the main pulley, we're going to bring the belt up. So from the main pulley, we're going to route this one up here, and then the belt from the alternate side. This one will slide in just like this, and this will go onto this round pulley, and make sure that the belt stays inside the grooves. So this is the loop we make, and that loop will go on the belt tensioner, and now we need the ratchet. So once we put the ratchet, we bring the belt tensioner up, and once we bring the up, then belt will slide in to the belt tensioner, just like that. And before you release it, make sure the belt is inside the grooves. So now we can release the belt tensioner. It's looking perfectly fine. The belt starts from alternate pulley, go all the way on the top pulley, then keep following my finger. It goes all the way up, go to the main pulley, then go down all the way to the bottom pulley, then comes back to this pulley, and then we'll make a loop, and that loop goes on the belt tensioner, and then this one routed back. And that's how it's easy and simple. You can replace your serpentine belt on E350. If you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.